Hey guys! So I'm so sorry if the lighting is not the best. It's kind of early in the morning. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys a small squishy haul from New York City. Some of it is not squishies. I did only get 2 squishies because I'm actually going to San Francisco for spring break soon. So I'm saving up to get some squishies there because I will be going to some squishy shops. Also, I did not vlog this trip. I actually did get a good amount of stuff, but some of it was not necessarily related to my channel. It was more skincare related. So I went to 2 places that I'm going to show you guys at least. I went to Kinokuniya, which you saw in my last vlog. I went with my friend. And I went to the Elizabeth Center, and I'll leave the addresses for both of these places down below. I'm just going to show you guys the Elizabeth Center bag first because it has these squishies. So the first thing that a guy in there gave me was this, he gave me this little piece of paper and it has his Instagram on it, if the camera will focus. There we go. So the Instagram is Squishy Heaven. Squishy_heaven_ NYC. So he told me that if you follow them, then you get an update on their Instagram of all the new squishies they get. Anyways, the first squishy I chose was this KPop pomegranate. As you can see, it was $11, which I don't think was that bad of a price, to be honest. Hold up though. I just have to tell you guys what type of squishies they have. They have like awesome squishies, like seriously. So anyways, the basement of Elizabeth Center, and if you saw my last vlog, they got a lot more stores. There are only 2 stores though that have squishies, but all the other stores are really cool. And the site I went on had this Elizabeth Center store where I got these squishies. And it has a store with a bunch of Sanrio stuff, and it has another store that is just like, it has yarn and like little cute kawaii stuff. It's really adorable. So I definitely suggest checking that place out if you're visiting New York or if you live in there. Anyways, back to the squishies that I got. This is the pomegranate. It was the last one. And I'm gonna take the price tag off. So this is what it looks like. There's the back. And when I first squished this, I was like shook. Like look at this. Do you guys see that? It's amazeballs. It's really soft and soul rising, and it's really cool. But you guys should definitely check it out. The prices have gotten a lot more reasonable because they've got a lot more popularity. So here it is. Really soft and slow rising, and it's also very realistic. Like the shading on it and stuff. It's very realistic. And then the last thing that I got was this key brew. I think it's like, I don't know if it says onion rabbit or union rabbit right over here. I don't know why I would say onion rabbit exactly. This was $15, and I really like the squishy actually. Anyways, here's what the rabbit looks like. Here's the back. Super squishy, and it has a little sunflower and carrot, which are actually really detailed. So here's what it looks like out of packaging. And it says Kiru on the bottom, if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can. So guys, my camera, I was just in the middle of editing, and I am right now, and I realized that the camera, suddenly stopped for some reason, and the lighting's not good anymore, so I'm using it at this angle. So sorry if it's shaky, but the only things I was showing in that next clip were the things I got from Kinokuniya. From Kinokuniya, I got needle felting supplies because I'm going to needle felt something for the first time. I chose a much more simpler kit because it was my first time, as I told you guys, and this one's really adorable. And I have the felting board, and you use this to felt on so that you don't ruin the table, and then the actual needles. And I was inspired by Macaroon to do this, so I will link her videos down below. She has a bunch of needle felting videos and they're super satisfying. Also, comment down below if you guys would want me to do a video on my first time needle felting. I probably will anyways, whether or not you guys do want to see it or not, because I just really want to.